Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. Check out Aweber's free fall gift guide to get a great collection of gifts to add to your landing pages or emails. Just go to our blog and search for Fall Gift Guide, or click the link below in the description of this video. You'll scroll through and check out all the different gifts that we have to offer. Once you find one you want, just right-click and choose Save Image As. From there, drag an image into your email, click to upload, and there's your GIF. Just as a reminder, keep the GIF size as original. Changing this could cause the GIF to break. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.